So, hi Karina! Welcome to V-Talks to my channel. So, how was it? Nanalo ka ng award ngayon sa VP Choice Awards.
Siyempre po, I'm super thankful for the panelists, sa ating mga supporters. I call them my Rebels. And it's been a long journey and very hard for me. And now, it's being celebrated and being recognized. So, siyempre, it's such an honor. Napakasarap po sa pakiramdam na yung mga pinaghihirapan mo ay nagbubunga na.
Totoo.
You're
Kamusta
part
naman?
of Can't Buy Me Love and
Yes.
big winner ang primetime show ninyo.
Half award.
Halos half award kayo.
Yes, and meron din awards si Derek May, si Dohani, si Belle, ang Don Bell, ang
Halos
Hi,
Can't Buy Me Love.
Yes,
Yeah.
si Valerie ako.
And
So,
you.
syempre, to be in the cast of Powerhouse talaga from ABS-CBN, napaka magandang experience siya for me. And yun nga po, nag-uusap-usap kami kanina, nagse-celebrate kami for those who can't be here tonight. Pero talagang lahat kami happy and proud for the show. Kasi we were there talaga, lahat kami supportahan. There was no hilahan or walang inditan sa show namin. Basta ang gusto lang namin makapag-deliver, makapagpasaya, makapag-inspire, okay na po yun sa amin. Kaya lahat kami, family.
Nagtatanong mga Don Bell fans, bakit wala sila? Alam mo ba kung bakit?
Nga ngayong
Hindi
araw.
ko alam. Pero for sure, mga busy kasi sila. They have a lot of things coming up.
How
So,
does it feel naman working with Don Bell? Isa
Well,
sa mga love team naman.
Don Bell are two very kind people. They're down to earth, humble, very easy to work with. And yun nga, it's very easy to pit artists against each other. Pero sa amin, whenever we work, si Don Bell, wala naman kami nakikita ang ganun. We're all friends, family, ang turingan namin sa isa't isa. After 8 months of shooting, di ba, para na talaga kaming binondo peeps. Yeah.
yeah, after the success of Can't Buy Me Love, what's next to you or dapat naming abangan?
Well, right now, I'm a roving ambassador for Pinoy Big Brother auditions, and you'll continue seeing me on the dance stage, on some talk shows. So right now, may mga inaayos pa for new series. So we will have to wait for those announcements.
Speaking of TV shows, Kim Pao is doing grabe, napakasikat ngayon ng Kim Pao. Are you willing to work with Kim Chu and Paolo Villar?
Oo naman, no doubt. I feel like si Ate Kimmy kasi I used to do ASAP very often.
Ng TVP din siya.
Yeah, lagi ko siya nakakasama. Parehas naming tatay si Direk Lawrence. So, talagang I think madami kaming pagkakapareho na parang makakapag-relate na pwede kami maging friends. Pero as of now, wala pa kaming trabaho together. Pero I'm looking forward to talaga to any project just to
Maybe soon.
yeah.
So, if ever ba na magkaroon kayo ng project with Kim Pao, anong gusto mong role na, or genre with them? With Kim Pao?
Ako any genre naman, basta Kim Pao. So, pwede ako kay Paolo side, kay Kim side. Okay ako kahit ano. Basta, yun, to be in their projects talaga. I think, maninibago din ako kasi hindi ko pa sila pareho nakatrabaho talaga in acting wise, ganun, sa field na yun. So, gusto ko rin makaramdam ng panibagong environment, syempre.
Feeling ko, tatanungin to ng mga fans mo, any dream role na gusto mong in TV or movie?
I used to do MMK kasi, so suki ako doon. Yes, and from Viral, from RCD Narrative, so medyo dramatic talaga yon. So I want to come back to drama. I want to have real life stories, portray them, and gusto ko ng thriller.
Wow, that's
Yes,
exciting.
kasi
So, yeah.
adventurous din talaga ako as a person. And yun yung mga hilig natin panoorin,
Yeah.
especially in this generation.
Yeah.
So gusto ko ng ganong character, yung something na
Challenge.
gusto ko din, yung challenging. Yes.
Like, mga daring roles, are you open doing that naman?
So far naman, I always tell them na they can always tell me, we can always negotiate the terms kung gaano ba ka-daring to. Pero so far, sabi ko naman, okay po ako.
Wow, that's very professional.
Yes, so,
Mga
diba,
galing.
work naman to.
Sino yung kapamilya actor na gusto mo maging leading man in the near future?
Leading
One thing
man.
comes to mind lang.
Ang mga idolo ko talaga kasi sila Piolo Pascual at Jericho Rosales eh. Oo, di ba? Pero,
Pamilya Sagrado, wala.
oo, baka naman kahit ano lang, kapatid. Pero siguro mas malapit sa batch namin si Joshua Garcia. Nakatrabaho ko na kasi siya sa Viral and kapartner niya din si Charlie. And I think parang madami akong matututunan sa kanya since napakagaling niya rin ako.
Yeah. And with Aljun ba, diba your love team before, are you okay with Kim ba or anong kamusta kayong dalawa, yung friendship?
Yeah, for me, yung friendship namin is as strong as ever. It's now stronger than before, I must say. And yun, we're very chill, we've matured, and yun, pero okay naman kami. Yeah, we're very happy for each other, we support each other. Pag nagkikita kami, lagi pa rin naman kami nagbabatian, nagkakamustahan. So, yeah, we're friends.
One last na lang, advice mo sa mga PBB na gustong makapasok sa bahay ni Kuya.
Ayun nga, these auditions, alam kong madami na kayo nakikita online on what to do, pero kahit cliche ito, kahit lagi nyo naririnig, is to be really yourself. Kasi yun talagang hinahanap. Because bahay ni Kuya, they're looking for a personality. So, kahit pa minsan nakakaya kasi feeling mo wala kang talent or hindi ka kasi galing ng kasabayan mo. But I feel like if meron kang core, may backstory ka, may experience ka, no matter what it is, lalabas mo kasi. So parang ipakita mo lang talaga, try to show it, and have fun, enjoy. Kasi nung ako nag-audition ako, hindi ko siya ganun kaseneryoso. Parang naglalaro lang ako. And feeling ko isa yun sa mga napansin nila, kaya nakuha.
Ay,
One more thing, sorry. As with ngayon na open na yung collaborations with GMA, any top of mind na gusto mo makatrabaho sa Kapuso Network?
Siyempre si Ate Maria.
Nandito rin siya kanina.
Oh, nakita
Bakit kayo?
Yeah, and she won also for Rewind, di ba?
Yes, Star Singer.
Ayun. So, of course, si Ate Marian. Kasi nga, Marimar pa lang, pinapanood ko na po siya.
Wow.
Kaya nga po ako naging dancer dahil kay Marian. Oo.
3D yan ha?
Isang sample nga naman.
Sorry, more dance na to. So,
Oh, pwede na mag-remake.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Congrats!
Hi, good evening everyone! Ako po si Karina Bautista. Siyempre, una sa lahat, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa Village people for nominating me and seeing my talent and saying na isa ako promising star. Wow! And I would like to greet my fans, supporters, who I call the Creveres family because they care for me so much. I would also like to thank my mom, my family, my friends, my loved ones. Maraming pong salamat. And of course, I also want to inspire all the youth out there, lalo na ngayon, nagaganap po ang Pinoy Big Brother auditions namin. So to have that and this na magsabay is truly humbling and it reminds me of where I came from. Kaya naman, this is proof that dreams really do come true. Thank you so much. Have a good night.